Hi everyone, for today's video I just wanted to share with you how to replace the chlorine tablet from your ChemConnect in your above ground pool or your lazy spa. This is a product by Bestway, so when you have Bestway most likely you're gonna have the ChemConnect, and basically to replace this you just have to turn your ChemConnect by turning it counterclockwise. So let me do that right now. Okay, so you can see here right now there's actually a thread that holds your ChemConnect. So I just wanted to show you what chlorine tablet do I use. This is actually Clorox Extra Blue 1-inch chlorinating tablet. This is the one I use, and I got this thing from Amazon because I can't find this anywhere in my local store. So you might have to go online to find a 1-inch chlorinating tablet. And let me show you the construction of the ChemConnect. So if you look inside here, you'll see that there's like a tube here and also a tube right here, right? So when you put these two together, now you'll notice that this is actually closed right here. So the chlorine doesn't really come out from here. So the chlorine actually comes out from the side right here. So you can control the intensity of how much chlorine you want to release to your pool. So this is right now all the way closed. So as I open it, you can have one hole, two holes, three holes, and up to four holes open. Okay, so I'm going to be using three tablets. If this is your first time putting chlorine tablets in your ChemConnect, I suggest just put it into two or three, and then after that you can decide the next day. If you have too much chlorine, then you can lower it a little. Okay, so to open your ChemConnect, you'll see that there's a notch here. This is your unlock notch. So when you turn your ChemConnect counterclockwise, you're gonna hit the snag here and just push it some more, and you're gonna hear that click. Now you are directly on the unlock. Okay, it's the same thing when you lock it. It doesn't lock right away. It's a little tight, so you just force it a little. Okay, so let's go unlock it again and take out the top. Now you can put up to 6 of this chlorine tablet here. So I'm just gonna put 3. 1, 2, and 3. And then I'll just have to close it back in and turn it clockwise. So if you can see right here, I can turn it clockwise right here. And if you can see the sides right now, if you just push it in, you have one right away, but you can do it all the way and then come back. 1, 2. I'm just gonna do 2 because I have 3 chlorine tablet here. I have enough chlorine in the pool. Let's go back and install it back into the pool. To return it, all you have to do is uh, put it back down and turn it clockwise to screw it in. And that's about it. Please make sure to click the like and the subscribe button to help my channel. And thank you for watching.